series LC circuit. That is inductance and capacitance connected in series. Okay, that is here inductance and capacitance are connected in series with AC supply. Okay, then here this is the important concept is here, that is here LC. Then voltage across inductance is VL and voltage across capacitance VC. Okay, now this is the important circuit diagram for series LC circuit. Okay, now here this is the important concept is here. Okay, now here in this practical we have to need the first point is AM to design series LC circuit and find out current flowing through each component. Okay, then apparatus is inductance, capacitance, AC power source, ammeter, voltmeter and connection wire. These are the apparatus required in series LC circuit. Okay, then here we have to need, this is the theory part is here. Then here we have to need important formula is here. This first formula is V is equal to IR. This is the important Ohm's law is here. Then for voltage across inductor is IL into XL. Okay, then voltage across capacitor is VC is equal to IC into X. Okay, then here we have obtained current IL. This IL is equal to VL by X. Okay, then here IC is equal to VC by X. Okay, that is I is equal to V by C. Okay, then what is the formula of XL? XL is equal to 2 pi F here, and XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi F. These are the important formulas in series LC circuit. Okay, now here these are the important formulae it will be need to design series LC circuit. Okay, now this is the theory part is here, and also these are the important formula is here. Then also in which we have to need important concept is here, that is we have to need impedance. Z square is equal to R square plus XL minus XC whole bracket square. Okay, now this is the important concept of impedance. Then in which we have to need find out current I is equal to V by C. Okay, now this is the important concept of series LC circuit. Then we have to find out voltage across inductor VL is equal to I into XL, VC is equal to I into XC. This is the important concept is here. Now this is the circuit diagram for LC circuit. Okay, now here the value of inductance is 1.5 Henry, the value of capacitance is 0.001 Farad. Okay, then this is the voltmeter is measured is here, and there this is the ammeter to measure current. Now this is the ammeter, this is the voltmeter, and this is the voltage AC voltage source, that is 10 volt 10 hertz frequency. This is the important concept of series LC circuit, and also these are the important concept is here. Okay, now here the applications of series LC circuit is here using graphics tablet, mixer, oscillator, filter, tuner, poster serial discriminator, contactless card, electronic articles. These are the important applications using series LC circuit. Okay, now this is the important concept is here. Then next point is procedure. Okay, now this is the important procedure, and these are the component is here: resistance, lamp, wire, switch, battery, voltmeter, ammeter. These are the important parameter it will be needed to perform practical based on LC circuit in the form of series LC circuit. Okay, now this is the important concept is here, and these are the important component is here. Okay, now here in virtual lab we have to need series LC circuit. Now select the components from the right side of the simulator and connection are made as a circuit diagram. Then connection is completely only when the black color appears at the end of white. This is the important concept is. Then self-evaluation. That is here. First problem is 5 volt. That is voltage is given is 5 volt. That is 5 volt is applied to the 2 ohm resistor. That is 2 ohm resistor. That is first resistance is R1 2 ohm. Then R2 is 2 ohm. Then find out current I. This we have to find out current. Is I is equal to V by R equivalent. Is V by R1 plus R. Then I is equal to obtain is 5 by 4. This current is obtained 1.25 amp. That is answer is here 1.25 amp. Then same here, but resistance connected in parallel. Okay. Then here voltage is 5 volt. Then there are two resistance. R1 is 2 ohm. R2 is 2 ohm. Both are connected in parallel. That is here 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R. Then obtain here 1 upon R. Okay. Then here we obtain R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R. Okay. Then here we obtain 2 by 2 upon 5. Then to get this 4 by 4. Okay, here 4 by 4 is obtained. Then obtain is 5 ampere current will flow in this circuit. Answer is 5. Okay, now these are the several problem is given here, and also in which we have to need also theory question. Okay, now here which circuit law state that the sum of all current into out of node equal to 0? That is Kirchhoff current. Okay, then here dot carries negative charge. That is electron carries negative charge and photon carries positive charge. That is answer is here. If you have submit answer, okay, that is answer is correct. That is electron photon is correct answer. Kirchhoff current is here. Then in this here we obtain 1.25 ampere. Then we would obtain. Okay, now this is the correct answer is here. Okay, now these are the final evaluation of self-evaluation question. It will be useful for students and staff. Okay, now this is the concept of series LC circuit. Then here we have to simulator. Okay, now I have already logged in simulator, but there is a not working is here. Okay, now these are the assignment is here based on LC circuit. These are the references is here. That is references like books and bibliography is here. That is we have to need first book is Introduction to Electrical Circuit Analysis. Then DC circuit is here. Then references paper like Modify Nodal Analysis, Metric Operations and Graph Theory. These are the information website is here. And these are the references. It will be very important in series LC. And this is the last one is the feedback of the student. It is very important. Now these are the important feedback is here. Now here